Alright, I'm Daniel Asensio, and I'm going to do my invitational speech on animal testing. And yeah, so animal testing is very debatable and controversial because people don't really see if it could be ethical or not, and whether those animal lives that are being wasted, are really contributing to health. Um, some good things that could come out of animal testing are it obviously um, can result in treatments and cures. In the last 100 years, a majority of medical outbreaks have resulted from testing the animals. Some big ones are treating breast cancer, brain injury, leukemia, and tuberculosis. Those have been those treatments have been found through animal testing. On the other hand, on that same note, would be animal testing is inhumane, where it could where the scientists could either force feed or force make animals drink or deprive them of food and water. And they could also do things like inflict wounds and burns, and in some cases kill them, either like purposefully because they failed or like they die out of the experiment. Um, Testing is crucial to the drugs. Uh, Testing is crucial to ensure drugs are safe. Um, Also, there is no equal alternative for like for a living. There's no equal alternative to something living besides a human. So, like for example, like um, certain things have to be studied on a living thing and not like on a pantry as you would, as most people would expect. For example, high blood pressure has to be on an animal and human, and mostly animal they'll do it on. And the a bad thing of that, I mean, an alternative for that, in favor of anti animal testing would be 3D printing could um, um, create tissue bioprinting, and there's also artificial human skin. Um, People also say that scientists could test on human volunteers because they can actually give consent, unlike the animals who can't really give consent. So yeah, and animals are appropriate because they're similar to humans. For example, mice share 98% of human DNA, and they also have similar organs, obviously, like a heart, a stomach, a brain, just like humans. Um, Something to go against that would be animals aren't too similar in making animals aren't too similar to humans, making them bad subjects, and um, ways that they aren't similar are cellular and metabolic differences, which is we have different, like we process food different, and cells, which I'm not too sure with that. And my questions are, which I would ask if there was class, um, is there really accuracy in between? Oh, one point I forgot going back. Another positive to animal testing would be for educational purposes. For example, biology classes or like dissect a pig or something. Then it helps the kids. It helps students learn on how things actually work, which is another thing for animal testing. All right, now I'm gonna go back to my question because I forgot that point. Um, is there really accuracy when it comes to testing on humans and testing on the animals? The second one is, are the millions of animal lives, well, wasted? You can say it as wasted or invested. Really worth the the success or the treatment of certain diseases? Um, should this much trust be put into computers for the people who are against animal testing? Because one of the arguments were that they could like the 3D printing one, and then I forgot to mention there's also like medical computers that can like test that. So the question would be is should you really put that much dependence on a computer when you can test it out for yourself? And basically it all comes down to whether it's ethical for is it ethical to use animals or not? So yeah. I'm Daniel Asensio and that was my invitational speech.